In this video, I wanted to give you a quick comparison of the Surface 604 Sunny Day versus the V-Rook e-bike. So starting off, both of these products are very similar when it comes down to their core components because they're from the same company. So as you can see, this battery is on this V-Rook right now, but you can actually take this off and swap it and put it on the Sunny Day because they're interchangeable, which is nice. If you buy two products from this company, you can just swap the batteries between different e-bikes. Both of these e-bikes also use the same 9-speed trigger shifter, they have Tektro hydraulic brakes, they use the same 500-watt motor, and they also use the same torque sensor. So the ride quality between these two bikes are very comparable. They feel very nice to ride and actually operate. I feel like that's the best quality about both of these e-bikes, is that they're really fun to take out and ride. Now the main area that both of these e-bikes differ in is the accessories. The Sunny Day e-bike basically doesn't come with any, and the V-Rook comes with all of them. And that's kind of a bummer because I really like accessories, especially like integrated lights, fenders, rear rack, front rack. All those things would have been nice to include on the Sunny Day, but it doesn't have it. It does, however, have it on the V-Rook. But all these accessories also increases the price of the bike as well. At the time of this recording, this one comes in at a total of $2,300, where the V-Rook comes in at $2,500, so you are paying a little bit more if you want all these added accessories. Another difference between them is this one comes with front suspension and this one just has a solid front fork, which I originally was thinking this would make for a really rough, uncomfortable ride, but surprisingly enough, the thickness of this tire, just being a thick rubber, plus with this really comfortable seat, I still found this enjoyable and to be pretty smooth. I even took this on gravel roads and I was pretty pleased with the comfort of it. It would be a little bit better if it had front suspension, but I was surprised at how smooth of a ride it still was. This one, however, has front suspension, so that definitely helps dampen down the bumps, but the seat is a little more sleek and slender on this bike. I almost would prefer that they would swap that seat and put it over here, then this would be a lot more comfortable to me in my opinion. Or if they took this front suspension and put it over here, that would be better as well. That would be like the best of both worlds. The frame setup is a little bit different as well. This one has bars that go over the top of it, and this one is just the step-through version. However, they are still both really easy to get on and off of. The one thing I like about this frame is actually the color choice. I really like this sky blue color mixed with the purple. It looks fun, it looks summery. I really enjoy it. This one comes in white. It comes in different colors as well, but I personally like that this has like color on the rims and stuff. It just looks a little bit more unique. This one looks like a more standard, typical bicycle. Also, something that's different is this chain guard on the V-Rook is kind of plastic, where this one is like this metal tin material. So this one seems a little bit more durable and sturdy, versus that one might look better appearance-wise, so that's a difference as well. Overall though, I feel like both of these e-bikes are very similar. They give you a really comfortable riding experience, which is very smooth with the torque sensor that they use, so that's like the best feature about them, is the way that they actually ride. And then if you prefer certain accessories over others, or if you don't care about accessories, that's probably how you're gonna determine which e-bike is right for you. So there it is, that's the comparison, the V-Rook versus the Sunny Day. Let me know which one you prefer. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you on another one.